If you've been noticing unusual amounts of hair coming out when you brush your hair and thinking, is this normal? It probably isn't. I'm Misti, a certified trichologist and founder of Celestius. Stress-related hair loss is real. It's common, and right now, between taxes, the tariff hysteria, inflation, the massive layoffs, and let's be honest, just being alive in 2025 is affecting more women than ever. Ariana Grande, Doja Cat, Lea Michele all talked about how stress affected their hair. One of my favorite YouTubers, Laugh Lines and Life Lessons, talks about her battle with hair loss. If you see her older videos, she wore a wig. A lot of women are dealing with hair loss, and a lot of it is stress-related. When your body is under constant stress, it triggers cortisol, and your system goes into survival mode. The body cares more about keeping your heart, lungs, and brain going, so your hair follicles get put on the back burner. If you are experiencing a lot of shedding that isn't in a particular pattern and it has not been a slow progression, it's called telogen effluvium. And while it's not permanent, it's your scalp's way of saying, we've got bigger problems than volume or shine right now. Chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, increased inflammation, restricted blood flow to the scalp, and ultimately hair shedding, telogen effluvium, and stunted regrowth. And you're not imagining it. Take my client, a busy lawyer working at a high-stress job. She came to me after noticing thinning and significant hair loss. After we worked together, she was able to slowly see her shedding stop. These are her results after 3 months on the protocol. They're not quick fixes, but real sustainable progress. Her journey shows the power of patience and the importance of addressing stress at the root cause. Here is the deeper problem. It's inflammation. And stress increases inflammation. It chokes out the hair follicles and the blood supply. And when that happens, the follicle shrinks. Your hair thins. And if it's left unaddressed, the follicle can go dormant. Now, it's not dead and it's not permanent, but it does need to be treated. That's why anti-inflammatory scalp care is non-negotiable, not just for hair regrowth, but for prevention. I personally love plant-based peptides, and in some formula, copper peptides, to calm inflammation topically. When you combine that with a dermastam, peptides reduce that inflammation, they improve circulation. I was really disappointed because I was seeing so many women who were just being ignored or offered a pill and a prayer. So we wanted to target the root causes, not surface symptoms. When people first notice shedding, they tend to panic. So here are things I do not want you to do. Don't start washing your hair less because dirty scalps clog the follicles. Most women should wash 2 to 3 times per week. And don't buy the first miracle pill you see on TikTok or castor oil. These are nice things, but they cannot stop telogen effluvium. And don't megadose on biotin. You probably don't have a biotin deficiency and it can cause breakouts. Instead, look for ingredients that are backed by clinical studies. Peptides, scalp stimulators, real science. Right now, stress, hair loss 2025, and TikTok shedding panic are trending search terms. So if that's how you found this video, you're not alone. The good news, there's a solution. So if you're shedding more than usual, it's your body's way of saying white flag. So you gotta listen to it and respond with something smarter than another quick fix. So you check out my website for lots of free information and articles on hair loss, and subscribe because I break this stuff down every single week so you don't have to play Google Doctor.